What's up, y'all? It's Phil, and it's time for another update. So we have been going on this project for a couple of days now. It is hot, but today it's raining. In fact, I just got the camera set up and now it's raining on me again. So if you saw the last update, we were already a couple of days into this because I'm trying to tack this on to the end of another project. The only downside is I'm supposed to be starting another project immediately and I've still got this one to finish up, and the rain's kind of killing that mojo. So we will see if that's gonna be how it all works out in the end. Hopefully this will be a short one for y'all and go from there. So this project is gonna be pretty cool. I know I say that every time, but that's because all the projects I do are cool. This one is going to be a playhouse. From the front it's a playhouse, and on the sides it's a playhouse. On the back it's like a deck. So it's a little 6x6x6 house. That's more of a playhouse in the front, deck in the back. It's gonna be like leaning out over the way the client's yard slopes down. It's gonna be kind of cool. So like, it's a little chalet essentially for these kids to play with. Think it's gonna be awesome, think it's gonna go quick, and we're already a day into it. We'd probably be done by now if it wasn't for all the rain and other projects that I'm finishing up, but you know, that's the way this goes sometimes. Let's go. Ah, shit. And just like that, y'all, I am done. So this project turned out awesome. I was actually very, very happy with the way that the Playhouse came together. I knew this was going to be a quick and dirty project. It literally would have taken us like a day to a day and a half to actually do, because the client's doing all the finish work. So that would have been easy if it wasn't for the rain. We started one day, like halfway through the day, only got so far. We started the next day, first thing in the morning, but we got rained out like just after lunch. And I mean, it literally was like we were scrambling. I think you see in the video where we're scrambling to get inside and get in the trailer, and it was not super awesome, but it happened. Come through the weekend, and on Monday we are out there finishing it up, and as we get the last piece of trim installed, it starts raining. So I sent my part-time guy to go and clean up while I went and dealt with the client, got everything finished up so that we could get out of here. But currently I'm wet, the camera's wet, and it's starting to rain on me yet again. So we really beat the weather for this one, and I beat my own schedule in the sense of it came together relatively quickly, and I did it between finishing one project and starting the next project, which was the whole point. I was going to be doing this in the afternoons after I went and did some work at the other project, go back and finish this one, and everything worked out. If you saw my last update, you saw that I forgot to put hooks on the other project, so I went back today to do those final details, and then went back today to finish the Playhouse, and tomorrow I'm starting an all new project. So thanks for watching, y'all. If you haven't yet found me on Instagram, I am at PMK Woodworking, so check me out there. You can see a lot of this stuff before I actually post the videos, so you can see what I'm working on, and you can kind of, you know, contact me there if you have any questions, or if you see any of my other videos and you want to know some stuff, let me know. You can also find me on Facebook. Facebook.com/PMK Woodworking is my professional business page, because my website is right now. And anywhere else on social, everything is at PMK Woodworking, because, you know, brand specificity. Except for YouTube, it's the green barn, because I'm weird like that. Now, before the rain fully gets here, go check out these beauty shots. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye.